Hey everybody, and welcome to Stock Abilities. Today I'm going to be covering the Lockheed Martin adds 1.3 billion to its buyback program. Recently mentioned news, they added over 1.3 billion to its existing repurchase program, bringing the total amount of shares repurchased to 3 billion. Lockheed Martin is up about 40% from March low of 276 and flat year to date. Going to go into a little bit of details on what that means. If you guys are not familiar, through stock buyback programs, also known as repurchase programs, companies buy back shares of their own stock at market price to retain ownership. Doing so reduces the number of shares outstanding, increases the ownership stake of remaining stockholders. Generally, stock purchases, repurchases, buybacks, etc., are bullish to investors, so we might see a continued upward momentum into the later parts of the year. I could see basically with that combined with this whole stimulus bill coming out, with them planning everything new and promises to airlines and defense companies and other things that they're going to get some funding through that to help with the pandemic and economy and all that kind of fun stuff, that Lockheed Martin might be testing its high from back last year at the 400 to 450-ish area here. Right now, it's been kind of on a little choppy chop, but if you look back all the way back in 2015, going to 2018, a little bit of a hammering here in 2018 and 19, but that happened to most stocks. Same thing in 2020. I feel that we could see continued growth, and we're probably gonna, in my opinion, hit over the 500 valuation on Lockheed Martin. This is an aerospace and defense company. It's a personal opinion, but I don't see them coming up with world peace this year or anything like that. So you got the buyback and you got the stimulus and all that kind of stuff, and you should see continued growth in the defense sector because they're just going to continue getting grants. They're going to continue getting funding for things like jets and weaponry and all that kind of fun stuff that has to do with Lockheed Martin. So if you want more input on Lockheed Martin, feel free to leave it in the comments below, your own input on that and what other kind of videos you might want to see from me in that regard. Make sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel if you want more stock market breaking news alerts just like this. Thank you for listening in, everybody, and have a great day.